Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a contact form in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to add a contact form to your Squarespace site, first you need to log in to your Squarespace account by filling your email address and password here. From this page, click on this website button below your desired website. Then go to Pages. Click on the page where you want to add a contact form. I want to add it on this home page. After that, click on this edit button to go into the editing mode. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And let's say that I want to add a contact form before this footer area. Just hover with your mouse between these two sections in order to click on this Add Section button. From this left side menu, click on Contact, then select your preferred contact template from this list. Let's go with this template. This is my new contact section in Squarespace. Don't forget to save your work. And to preview your contact section live, click on Exit. Then preview your website live. Scroll down to the bottom. And this is your contact section in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.